Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Grandma in a Box unboxing for May. And this is really fun. I've done a couple unboxings of this in the past. Basically a monthly subscription where you can decorate cookies and make little treats. Perfect for children to do with their moms or grandmother. So the first one we have, let's see here, we have recipe cards. The theme for this box is butterflies and blossoms. So this is the May 2019 box. There's always 3 projects to give you a list of what's inside. The first project is pretzel butterflies. Use melting chocolate. You decorate those. The second one is butterfly bark. And I like that they give you like all the ingredients in case there's like a sensitivity or allergy, so you know exactly what's in here. And then the third project tends to be a cookie decorating project, which is really fun. So let's take a look in here. Have our card and website. Of course, I will link all that below. Cute. So we got some fun icing colors. This is like my favorite color. Then we have a nice purple, and it looks like there's a pink as well. We also have some little licorice pieces to decorate our butterfly pretzels. Pretzels to go with it. Some different sprinkle options. We also have a really pretty pink, or I'm sorry, purple and blue. Melting chocolates in purple. Some little Crispies, and then our cookies. So we have small butterflies and big butterflies. Small flowers and big flowers. So I'm going to go ahead and wait for Jackson to come home and I will show you us decorating these. So for the first project, you're going to dip the single loop in the chocolate and lay that on the parchment paper. And you're going to do that again to the second one, and then you're going to stick them together so they look like butterfly wings. And you could put a piece of licorice in between there, and since it's touching the chocolate, it will all harden together. And then you can use some sprinkles to pour in the middle. Then with the leftover chocolate, you're going to dump the Crispies in here and give that a really good mix. Jackson is very lazily stirring that together. But the second project is the butterfly bark. So you have all sorts of little sprinkles, and there's some dried marshmallows in there. All sorts of different stuff. So you're going to dump that on the parchment paper as well and spread it out kind of to make like a size of a dollar bill. I guess you can make it any shape you want, but I kind of made mine into a rectangle. And then you can sprinkle your little decorations on there and then set that aside to dry. It only takes about 5 minutes to set up, and then you could break it apart in pieces and eat it. And here are the cookies. So Jackson's grandma was actually over on this day. It was my birthday and they came over to watch the kids. So I decorated one cookie and then I let him and his grandma decorate the rest while I was gone. And I decided to make mine pink in the middle, and I dumped the little sprinkles on it. And you could shake them off and then bend the plate to pour them back in there, which is a really quick and easy way to decorate. The purple, since it was so light, it didn't show up that well with the pink, but typically it's a really fun way to decorate. And then I took my favorite color, which is this teal, and I did every other petal that color. And then I went back with the purple and did the other petals that color. So we always have a blast doing this subscription. I do have a promo code below in case you guys want to try it. It's really, really fun, and everything's included. The only thing, if you need one, is like a toothpick or a plate, and that's it. Everything else is included. So here's our little butterflies once they dried, and then our bark that we can go ahead and break up, and then the cookies that Jackson and his grandma decorated. So thanks so much for watching, and I will have all the information below in the description box. Bye, guys.